What is up, guys? Beautiful Friday in sunny Florida. Feels good to be living in the state of full freedom. I haven't put a mask on since I got here. Haven't been questioned or even really seen signs about them. Yes, some people have them on, some people don't, but that's the freedom of America. Anyways, we're heading over to Daytona for Daytona Truck Week. Just gonna be there for Friday afternoon and into the night, so we'll get some good footage. Got a few friends out there with some really nice trucks. We're just taking old Reliable, the old Chevy. I'm actually running it up to NC this weekend to sell it. For those of you who know, I have a 06 Silverado. It's pretty clean, but went a different route with a new purchase, more reliability, more fuel economy. So you might be seeing that in a video coming shortly. Gonna try to do some stuff to it, build it, make it look good. But hang on for the ride. Let's go see some cool trucks. Guys, we're coming over the bridge into Daytona right now. Pulled over to wipe the truck off because didn't want to be looking rough after driving 3 hours through a bunch of bugs and back roads. But about to hit the beach. Let's see what we can. Got the Chevy cleaned up, not too bad. And let me tell you, there are some beautiful trucks out here. Here's my buddy Nick's truck, his posse, a bunch of Duramax guys. nice. Hopefully you can see me all right. Use my phone flashlight, but had a good night. We didn't get to go to any meets or anything, so I didn't really get to walk around anywhere, unfortunately. But we rode the strip a few times and I walked around personally. So hopefully you liked what you saw. Was a good time. I would love to go to the show tomorrow, but I got a lot of driving to do. Make my way back up to North Carolina to take care of some things. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.